Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm going to try and remember to leave that canvas right there where it is so you can see better. That is an 8x8 inch canvas. I'm going to grab my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, give myself just a little bit more paint on the surface of this so I know it's completely covered, and nicely so. Very light layer of wet paint. I could probably use more if I wanted to have flow, but I think I'm just going to go for whatever. That is the Anita's White metallic. I want some green this time. I am going to use my Amsterdam Black that has a little bit of pre-stained wood conditioner in it from Minwax. And then I think I'm just going to use a piece of acetate that I just got out. Oh, there it is. It's right next to me. Oh, wow. Brain dead or what? So I'm going to go not at a regular angle, I think. Well, that sort of kind of didn't work. Now, I want to put some orange in there. Along with some more, or actually the first. Well, I guess I'm going to use a different swipe card. And this one I'm going to put the Amsterdam Black right on it. Do I want some white in there as well? I think I do. Do I want to go back? That was a lot better than the other side. I think I like putting it on the card far more. And since I decided that, I'm going to grab a small card. Come on out. I know you're in there. There's not much left there, actually. Grab another little dab will do me, hopefully. I want to do that with some gold. And maybe some orange. Come on. Not coming out. Wrong container, I suspect. Grab the one that will work. Always a better plan. Oh, that was a lot of black. Now I wonder if I can tip any of this. I don't think there's a tremendous amount of paint on there. I'm going to grab a little bit more of the Amsterdam Black. Move some of my bottles out of the way. See what happens, if anything. Yep, I'm getting to keep some cells. I probably could have torched a little bit first. I often wonder if I could just put a bunch of black or white in there, in this case black, and use it to make the rest of the paint move. I don't know about a cohesive composition. I'm also not deciding that I'm done yet either. Take the long side of this. It's probably too short of a card. I kind of don't mind what happened there. And the added paint will help me adjust the design. I didn't get any of that white out, which I'm really surprised about, because I really wanted some. In theory, that should work. What else do I want in there? Anything else? Oh, I dropped my little card and now I don't know where it is. Okay, well that doesn't matter. Wow, balloon rolls just popped into my head. I'm not sure if I want to do anything with balloon rolls though. But I am pretty sure I could handle adding a little more white up there. Seeing if some of it pops a cell or two. A little bit. Let's just blow that around some. I suspect that white is going to help me out. Yeah, I like it. So that's different. Am I done? I'm not sure if I'm done. I need some different size areas, I think. Maybe a few different patterns. A few waggles never hurt anybody. Just like a couple spirals never hurt anybody. Okay. Is it okay? I'm not sure. It's not spectacular yet. I keep picking up the wrong orange. One of these times I'm just going to take some paint in a bottle and wall up a painting. With all kinds of colors just because I can. Let's use some of this Amsterdam paint, Amsterdam black. There, that's more interesting for me. So far so good. I'm getting better. Deciding I like what I see. I thinking I'm liking my skewer work. It's really quite interesting now. I still never got any of that light blue, and I have it. For some reason, that's like adding white. It just makes the colors pop. I can steal a little bit of it and put it right up there. I might paint the sides black again since there's not much going over the edge. Except for right there. Fortunately the medium black covers well. So I'm seeing just one place for a spiral. And I think I'm going to torch. Say thank you guys for 92,000 subscribers plus. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not new, thank you for being here for so long. Appreciate that. If you are interested in subscribing, we'd love to have you. Please subscribe. If you're looking for a Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shopping. Pixels.com and Fine Art America. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for looking at the albums of wet and dry artworks. They are all on the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link that you see, either when you click Show More under the video or directly under the video. After that you'll see the Teespring clothing, but if you click Show More, you're also going to find my email address, and that's the way to contact me if you're interested in having more information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Or better yet, if you're interested in purchasing an artwork, that's by far and away the only and best way to contact me. I'm going to zoom in. We got some great little cells. Nice little fantasy piece. I've been sort of sitting on these 8x10s waiting to have a good reason to use them. You can just stick the blunt end of your skewer in and twist it around and you get little tiny spirals. Just by twisting. And I have a few of them and I'm happy with all of them. Well, maybe not that one. Now I'm happy. I'll be touching up my edges. I wish I could get closer for you guys. I probably could if I put my rack up on the tile. Should we try it once? And then you can really see what we're looking at, which is very intense. There we go. It's a coat of many colors. We are not focusing very well. So what should I tell you guys? I told you pretty much everything except for can I have a thumbs up, and thank you for all the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time, and thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for that. You guys are very good to me. I appreciate it. Look for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook groups are on the link tree, like I said. My Amazon link is on the link tree. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. You can find my 2 books there. The community board has tomorrow's video posted on it. My YouTube channel banner has Patreon and PayPal links. If you are interested in being a studio contributor, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And you can see the drawing is an exhibition video on the end screens of every video in the last 20 seconds. It includes the prizes for the drawing. That was backwards, but you get it. So, what else am I missing? I have 18 lists of 100 videos, and all my playlists are organized by topic and genre. If you need a link, please ask me. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate the help. The longer you watch, the better it is for me. If you are interested in being assistants, the thumbs up, your comments, watching when the notifications come out, and if you decide to generously watch some commercials, they're all of a big assistance to me. So thank you very much for all your help. Really appreciate it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. If I forgot something, you'll see it in another video, no doubt about it. Bye for now. Priscilla out.